live regarding Hurricane Sally, and you can see roads are completely underwater. I went through that just now on my bike, and the water is over my knees. Every vehicle I've seen turn around so far, so this is no joke. Hurricane Sally is one storm to go in the record books. Look how much water there's out here. I mean, this is unbelievable. My bike, but it's so windy and I don't want to ruin my phone. I gotta get a waterproof phone, guys. And please subscribe, help the channel grow. I think we're gonna go down to 393 and 98 and see how bad it is down there next. I just want to get some more footage here. Look at all this water, guys. I'm waiting to see if anybody drives through. Oh, look at that. It's knee deep. Yeah, knee deep. I went through it just now. That's how deep it was, all the way through. You should be able to make it. Just go real slow. If it gets too deep, just back up. No. It shouldn't get too much deeper, just a little bit deeper, and then you should be all right. Gosh, guys, this is unbelievable. Look how deep that water is. Gosh, this is just unbelievable. Gosh. Yep, Hurricane Sally goes down in the record books as one of the most slow-moving storms in the history to hit the Panhandle. I mean, we're talking 20 to 30 inches of rain, 4 feet of storm surge up, 60-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, this storm was no joke. The Weather Channel's always wrong. They say, oh, it's going to Louisiana, they're going to get flooded out, but nope, the worst of it could come here to the Alabama-Florida line. But yeah, this is Santarosa Beach, Florida, right next to the beautiful sunny Destin. Okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for this. Remember, subscribe.